So welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to turn Facebook post notification on or off. To turn on or off your Facebook post notification, open the Facebook app. If you comment on a post notification will automatically be turned on. If you turn on notification for a post, you will get notified whenever someone comments on the post. You won't get notified when someone replies to a comment. To turn post notification on or off, go to the post that you would like to turn on notification on or off. Tap the three dot. Here you will find turn on notification for this post. The person who posted won't be notified that you turned notification on. To turn off that notification, tap on the three dot menu again and tap on turn off notification for this post. Here also the person will not be able to be notified that you turned off the notification. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more future videos like this. Thanks for watching.